Hi, Sylvia Gorenszach here. How is everybody doing today? So today we're going to talk about and show you how to do a peacock feather. I've never actually done this myself, so this is going to be a first for me as well. We're going to see how it goes. So first I have a lily of the Nile here and I have a little bit of crazy for blue. We're going to draw a teardrop shape on our nail. Next we'll take crazy for blue and outline this teardrop shape. Next, we're going to take our matter of fact and put it over the entire nail, because at the end of this, we're going to be using a little bit of chrome, and chrome will not stick to a matte polish or to a matte fingernail. We'll give that a full cure. Next, we'll take Raven's Kiss and we're going to outline this start of our peacock feather and then create the design. This is what the chrome is going to be sticking to. We'll give this a full cure. The reason why I wanted to do a full cure is because I wanted to use this thinner brush here to create thinner lines inside towards that center or nucleus of the peacock feather. Okay, we could give that a cure too. Now we will create the wisps of the feather. And let's give that a cure. Now for the fun part. Let's apply some chromes to get that look that the peacock feathers have, where it has blues and purples and greens in there. You could even use the pink. I have the purple, blue, and green chromes here. I'm just going to apply just a tiny little bit. You can see that I just have a tiny little bit. I actually just took it from the rim of the container here, the pod. And you're going to rub it over the black parts wherever you want, just a little bit. Make sure it's all rubbed in, but I want to get the blue in there and the green in there as well. So sometimes you can actually just take what's in the lid and rub it in. You just need a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Okay, now you want it to just very gently take the excess off. You can blow on it if you like. I just use my finger. You can use one of the nail brushes from the Creativity Kit and just take the excess off so that there's nothing left on the actual nail, because now we have to take our Clearly Frisky and put a coat of Clearly Frisky on. We'll give that a full cure in the lamp. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next one. Ciao, ciao.